IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores.
What do you like most about your hometown?
Band 5. Answer.
I like the people in my hometown because they are friendly and helpful. It is also a quiet place, so I feel relaxed when I am there. I enjoy spending time with my family and friends.
Why is this a band 5?
Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas with limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, friendly, quiet, relaxed. Grammar, mostly simple sentence structures with little variety. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but may lack natural stress and intonation.
Band 7.5. Answer.
What I like most about my hometown is the strong sense of community. People are always willing to help each other, and it's easy to build meaningful relationships. I also appreciate the peaceful atmosphere because it provides a nice escape from the stress of busy cities.
Why is this a band 7.5?
Fluency and coherence. Ideas are developed naturally with clear explanations. Lexical resource. Good vocabulary such as sense of community, meaningful relationships, and peaceful atmosphere. Grammar. Uses a range of sentence structures accurately. Pronunciation. Expected to have natural rhythm, stress, and intonation with only occasional errors.
Band 9. Answer.
Without a doubt, the best thing about my hometown is its welcoming atmosphere. There's a genuine sense of belonging because people know one another and are always ready to lend a hand. I also love the balance it offers. It's peaceful enough to enjoy a relaxed lifestyle, yet it still has everything I need. Whenever I return, it immediately feels like home.
Why is this a band 9?
Fluency and coherence. Speaks effortlessly with well-connected, fully developed ideas. Lexical resource. Sophisticated vocabulary and natural expressions such as welcoming atmosphere, sense of belonging, and lend a hand. Grammar. Wide range of complex structures used accurately and naturally. Pronunciation. Expected to be clear, expressive, and effortless with excellent control of stress and intonation.
Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.